Here you join us on collection day for the Daimler Dart. A lot of you, according to the views, have been watching and following this through its build. It came in as an insurance repair for the back corner, grew into a project where colour change, engine rebuild, steering conversion, spoked wheels. But we shall take you around this and explain each item, and we shall move to firstly engine start from cold and show you what a nice sounding V8 it is now. Very nice sounding, even running Daimler Dart engine. It's now done just over 500 miles on running in oil. It is now on its proper penrite. The little tiny noise, if you can hear it, is actually the dynamo. So we're not scared of that, but I know that wise of you will be listening for something like that, but like I say, it's nothing scary. As mentioned, the car has totally transformed itself in drivability and comfort. It's absolute pleasure to drive now with the steering rack conversion from a box and all the linkages to rack and pinion. The tautness and positiveness of this car now on the road it's just an absolute pleasure. The new wheels, new tyres, spoke to wheel conversion just complement it and add to that comfort with the new rubber, so it's nice and soft. The roof that came with this car physically did not fit the vehicle. More or less became apparent it had never been a part of this vehicle. So frame completely stripped down, dipped, cleaned, repainted, covered in this nice new mohair roof that's been painstakingly made to fit the car for the trimmers. It has been a little bit of a challenge due to the fact that it was never from this car in the hood frame, and the interior has been done by the same trimmers. We will now fold the roof down to emphasise on the interior, which has been done by Dave and his team from Land and Marine, and a very nice job they've done of it. The interior now can be more so emphasised from with the roof down. I must admit I was apprehensive personally about the tan leather being the choice at first, but I personally think it absolutely complements and goes with the colour of the car. Yes, they can obviously only be personal opinions, but I think it really sets this car alive. And with the steering conversion, the steering wheel is now also a smaller steering wheel that comes as the conversion kit, which also adds to the positiveness of the car's drive and handling on the road, rather than the great big dish helping make it all feel negative. Hopefully the last item that we haven't touched on yet, you would have already noticed the depth of shine on this vehicle. Being of a composite material, it was interesting to obviously make as flat and as level as we could so that the colour and shine went well. So all we can say at that is, like I say, nice shine, nice interior. Look forward to the customer coming to collect it today, and thank you for following, and hopefully you found the project an informative one, although obviously a little bit of a break between the other videos on this car and this final one. But thank you again, and follow more projects at www.cbrclassicrestorations.co.uk. Thank you.